Imagine being a tree, standing tall and strong. My xylem is like a superhighway, transporting water from my roots all the way up to my leaves. This journey is crucial because without water, I can't photosynthesize and create food. Meanwhile, my phloem works tirelessly, sending nutrients and sugars produced in my leaves back down to my roots. It's a two-way street of life. This incredible teamwork between xylem and phloem keeps me healthy and thriving, proving that even in nature, collaboration is key to survival.